Hi, Unbox Nova here. Here we have the flash on 4K Steelbook. This is from France, from FNAC or FNAC. It has Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. Runtime is 144 minutes. Aspect ratio is 1.9 to 1. There's Atmos on both discs. So let's open it up. See what we have. Some glue here. There it is. Spine. Back sides. We got some art on the discs. That's the 4K disc. And the Blu-ray disc is yellow. Inside art. The whole thing. So that's the Flash 4K Steelbook. If you're into collecting Steelbooks, 4Ks, Blu-ray, please subscribe. And remember to like the video. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.